Looking to add more storage to your Acer gaming laptop? Today, we're checking out the deal for Go SATA hard drive cable and HDD caddy kit, specifically designed for a range of Acer Nitro 5 and Predator Helios 300 models. This kit aims to provide a simple and effective solution for installing a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, or SSD, in your laptop. The kit is compatible with a wide array of Acer models, including the Nitro 5 and 515-58, and 515-55, and 515-56, and 515-57, and 515-45, and 517-54, and 517-52, and 517-41 series, and the Predator Helios 300PH 315-53 and PH 315-54. It's always a good idea to double-check your specific model number against the compatibility list to ensure a proper fit. Some specific compatible models listed are in 515-58-57Y8, and 515-55-53E5, and 517-54-79L1, and 515-57-79TD, and in 517-41 R0RZ. Inside the package, you'll find a FH51M SATA HDD cable, the 2.5-inch HDD caddy bracket, and the necessary screws for installation. The cable itself is approximately 2.85 inches long, excluding the SATA header, and features a 12-pin connector for the motherboard. The inclusion of the caddy and screws is a nice touch, providing everything needed for a clean and secure installation. The cable replaces part numbers FH51MNBX000, 2Q900, 50.QFJN 2.002, and 50.Q7WN 2.001. If you're replacing a damaged cable or simply adding a drive, knowing the compatible part numbers can be helpful for peace of mind. While the product is a generic brand, the key here is compatibility and functionality. User feedback suggests that this kit generally performs as expected, allowing users to successfully add a second hard drive or SSD to their Acer laptops. Installation is typically straightforward, but as with any laptop repair, it's recommended to consult online guides or videos if you're not comfortable working with delicate electronics. Remember to always disconnect the battery before working inside your laptop. For anyone looking to expand the storage of their compatible Acer Nitro 5 or Predator Helios 300 laptop, the deal for Go SATA hard drive cable and HDD caddy kit appears to be a viable and cost-effective option. Just be sure to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.